The more upset the nice Kiwi bird, you can't buy happiness but you can marry a New Zealand woman. Vintage retro shirt, African American. Nice Kiwi bird, you can't buy happiness but you can marry a New Zealand woman. Vintage retro shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Hoodie, V-neck, tank top, sweatshirt. How has that education? Nice Kiwi bird, you can't buy happiness but you can marry a New Zealand woman. Vintage retro shirts. Doing hasn't flourished under any president in the last 60+ years. Public education is a failure. We need to have high school require a test to get into. Then we can just weed out the people who don't want to continue education and not waste resources. Every cop I've ever known, which is quite a few, since my dad was one for 12 years, complained to high heaven about getting called out to situations they don't belong in. Petty domestic squabbles, noise complaints, parents wanting them to haul their 5-year-old to jail because he won't eat his broccoli. That kind of shit, because they don't think those scenarios require police. Just a big waste of their time. Other products.